Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Shopify. To withdraw your earnings with Shopify Payouts to your bank, begin by logging into your Shopify account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings section at the bottom left of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. Scroll down to find the Shopify Payments section. Here, look for the Payouts tab and click on it. You will see a summary of your available earnings. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Transfer to Bank button. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that your bank account details are correctly linked. If you need to add or update your bank information, click on the Edit link. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information carefully. After confirming your bank details, return to the Payouts page. Review the withdrawal amount and the bank account selected. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal request. You will receive a notification once the transfer is initiated. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, check the Shopify Help Center for support options. That's it. You've completed the process to withdraw your Shopify Payouts to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.